আমরা ক্লাস 12 এর ncert টেক্সট বুকের ইন্টিগ্রেশনে এক্সারসাইজ 7.1 সলভ করব। Find an antiderivative or integral of the following functions by the method of inspection. First, sin 2x. We have to find an antiderivative of sin 2x. So, we have to find out a function whose derivative is sin 2x by definition of antiderivative. So, we know ddx of cos 2x equals to minus 2 into sin 2x. So, sin 2x equals to minus half into ddx of cos 2x from this. So, sin 2x equals to ddx of minus half take minus half into cos 2x. So, by definition of antiderivative, an antiderivative of sin 2x is minus half into cos 2x. Next, cos 3x. We have to find out a function whose derivative is cos 3x. We know ddx of sin 3x is equals to 3 into cos 3x. So cos 3x equals to 1 by 3 into ddx of sin 3x from this. So cos 3x equals to ddx of 1 by 3 টাকে ভেতরে নিলে 1 by 3 into sin 3x. Now by definition of antiderivative, we have an antiderivative of cos 3x is 1 by 3 sin 3x. Next, e to the power 2x. We have to find an antiderivative of e to the power 2x. So actually we have to find out a function whose derivative is e to the power 2x. Now, we know ddx of e to the power 2x equals to 2 into e to the power 2x. So, e to the power 2x equals to half into ddx of e to the power 2x. That is e to the power 2x equals to ddx of half take bhetore nile half into e to the power 2x. Now by definition of antiderivative, we have an antiderivative of e to the power 2x is half into e to the power 2x. Problem গুলো সলভ করতে বলেছে by method of inspection. Next, 4. ax plus b whole square. We have to find out a function whose derivative is ax plus b whole square. As previous problem, we know ddx of ax plus b whole cube equals to 3a into x plus b whole square. Actually, ddx of x plus b whole cube equals to 3 into x plus b whole square into x plus b derivative korle a into a, that is 3a into x plus b whole square. So x plus b whole square equals to 1 by 3a into ddx of x plus b whole cube, that is x plus b whole square equals to ddx of 1 by 3a take bhetore 1 by 3 into x plus b whole cube. So by using definition of antiderivative, we have an antiderivative of x plus b whole square is 1 by 3a into x plus b whole cube. Next, sin 2x minus 4 into e to the power 3x. We have to find an antiderivative of this function. So we have to find out a function whose derivative is sin 2x minus 4 into e to the power 3x. Now, we know ddx of cos 2x equals to minus 2 sin 2x. So, sin 2x equals to ddx of minus half into cos 2x. And also ddx of e to the power 3x equals to 3 into e to the power 3x. That is e to the power 3x equals to 1 by 3 into ddx of e to the power 3x. That is 4 দিয়ে multiply করলে 4 into e to the power 3x equals to 4 by 3 into ddx of e to the power 3x. So, sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x equals to ddx of minus half into cos 2x minus ddx of 4 by 3 into the power 3x. We subtract this. So sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x equals to ddx of একসাথে লিখলে minus half into cos 2x minus 4 by 3 into e to the power 3x. Now again by using definition of antiderivative, we have an antiderivative of sin 2x minus 4 e to the power 3x is minus half cos 2x minus 4 by 3 into e to the power 3x. Next, find the following integrals in exercises 6 to 12. 6. Integration 4 into e to the power 3x plus 1 in dx. ভেঙে দিচ্ছি equals to 4 into integration of e to the power 3x dx plus integration of 1 into dx. We know integration of e to the power 3x is 4 তো থাকলোই 4 into e to the 3x divided by 3 actually e to the power x ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে কি e to the power x হয় and তো e to the power 3x এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে কি e to the power 3x এবার 3x এর ডেরিভেটিভ করলে কি আসবে 3 so divide 3 always ইন্টিগ্রেশনে ডিভাইড করে আর ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন মাল্টিপ্লাই করে আর 1 এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে x প্লাস কনস্ট্যান্ট c that is 4 by 3 e to the power 3x plus x plus c e to the power 3x এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে e to the power 3x এবার 3x এর যদি আমরা ডেরিভেটিভ করি তাহলে 3 so divided by 3 next integration of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx ভেঙে দেব equals to integration of x square multiply করলে minus 1 into dx আর আলাদা করে লিখলে integration of x square dx minus integration of 1 into dx now integration of x square dx formula কি ইউজ করব integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c constant of integration where n not equals to minus 1 if n equals to minus 1 then this is undefined so equals to using this formula x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus 1 integration x plus c constant that is x cube by 3 minus x plus c next problem integration ax square plus bx plus c into dx ভেঙে দেব equals to a into x square dx integration of x square dx plus b into integration of x dx plus c into integration of 1 into dx again using this formula we have a into x to the power 2 plus 1 divided 2 plus 1 plus b into x to the 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c into x 1 integration x plus constant capital C equals to a into x cube by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx plus c that is ax cube by 3 plus bx square by 2 plus cx plus c using only this formula next problem number 9 integration of 2x square plus e to the power x into dx আলাদা করে দেব equals to 2 into integration of x square dx plus integration of e to the power x dx again using formula integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus constant and n not equals to minus 1 so 2 equals to 2 into x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 e to the power x integration e to the power x plus c constant of integration that is 2 by 3 into x cube plus e to the power x plus c next 10 integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square into dx first we using formula a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square we expand it that is equals to integration of root x square x minus 2ab that is minus 2 into root x into 1 by root x plus b square that is plus 1 by x into dx আলাদা করে দেব equals to integration x minus 2 plus 1 by x dx আলাদা করলে equals to integration of x dx minus 2 into integration of 1 into dx plus integration of 1 by x into dx now x এর integration করলে x square by 2 we know and minus 1 integration করলে x plus 1 by x এর integration log mod x কেন log x কেন নয় if log ddx of log of x equals to 1 by x যেখানে x greater than 0 now ddx of log of minus x where x less than 0 since x less than 0 and log negative, undefined, so we make it positive, that is minus x. x negative minus x, minus মানে এটা পজিটিভ হয়ে গেল, minus x greater than 0. x less than 0 means কি minus x greater than 0, so this is defined, then equals to this 1 by minus x formula wise into minus x এর জন্য ডেরিভেটিভ minus 1, that is minus minus plus, so 1 by x, where x less than 0, so ddx of log mod x equals to 1 by x, where x not equals to 0, so 1 by x এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে আমরা পাবো log mod x. That's why 1 by x এর integration log mod x. Now 11 problem number, integration of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square into dx. Divide করে দেবো, equals to integration of x cube by x square into dx plus 5 into integration of x square divided by x square into dx minus 4 into integration of 1 by x square into dx. That is equals to integration of x into dx plus 5 into integration of 1 into dx minus 4 into integration of x minus 2 into dx. We using this formula. So equals to, this is x to the power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, that is x square by 2 plus 5 into x 1 integration x minus 4 into x to the minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus constant c, that is equals to x square by 2 plus 5x plus minus 1, that is minus minus plus 4 divided by x, x to the power minus 1, that is 1 by x, so 4 divided by x. Next problem, integration of x cube plus 3x plus 4 divided by root x into dx. Divide করে দেব, equals to integration of x cube by root x into dx plus 3 into integration of x divided by root x into dx plus 4 into integration of 1 by root x into dx. That is integration of x to the power 3 minus half, যেহেতু root x নিচে আছে, to dx plus 3 into integration of x to the 1 minus half into dx plus 4 into integration of x to the minus half into dx. That is equals to integration of x to the power 5 by 2 into dx plus 3 into integration of x to the power half dx plus 4 into integration of x to the power minus half dx. Using formula equals to x to the power 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus 4 into x to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus constant c, that is x to the power 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2 plus 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power half divided by half plus c, so equals to 2 by 7 into x to the power 7 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 into x to the 3 by 2 plus 4 into 2 8 into x to the power half plus c, that is 2 by 7 into x to the power 7 by 2, 3 3 cancel out, plus 2 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus 8 root x plus c. This is constant of integration. Next problem, integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx equals to integration, এখানে x square কমন নিচ্ছে, x square কমন নিলে x minus 1 প্রথম দুটো থেকে plus 1 কমন নিচ্ছে, তো x minus 1 divided by x minus 1, that is equals to integration of x square plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 into dx. X minus 1 cancel out, equals to, that is integration of x square plus 1 into dx. আলাদা করে দিচ্ছি, equals to integration of x square into dx plus integration of 1 into dx. Using formula equals to x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 integration x plus c equals to x cube by 3 plus x plus constant c. Next formula 14 problem, integration of 1 minus x into root x dx. Multiply করে দিচ্ছি, equals to integration of root x into dx minus x into root x dx. That is integration of x to the power half dx minus integration of x to the power 1 plus half into dx. That is integration of x to the power half dx minus integration of x to the power 3 by 2 dx. Using formula we have equals to x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c constant equals to x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x to the power 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus c constant equals to 2 by 3 into x to the 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 into x to the 5 by 2 plus c. Next 50 integration of root x into 3x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx multiply করে দেবো আলাদা করে দেবো equals to 3 into integration of root x into x square dx plus 2 into integration of root x into x dx plus 3 into integration of root x dx that is equals to 3 into integration of x to the power half plus 2 to dx plus 2 into integration of x to the power half plus 1 dx plus 3 into x to the power half dx equals to 3 into x to the 5 by 2 dx plus 2 into x to the 3 by 2 dx plus 3 into x to the half dx. Now using formula equals to 3 into x to the 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 2 into x to the 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into x to the half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c constant of integration. Now by calculation we have 3 into x to the 7 by 2 by 7 by 2 plus 2 into x to the 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2 plus 3 into x to the 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. Next 3 into 2 by 7 into x to the 7 by 2 plus 2 into 2 by 5 x to the 5 by 2 plus 3 into 2 by 3 into x to the 3 by 2 plus 3 cancel out হয়ে যাবে এখানে plus to 6 by 7 into x to the 7 by 2 plus 4 by 5 x to the 5 by 2 3 cancel out plus 2 into x to the 3 by 2 plus c. Next integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e to the power x into dx আলাদা করে দেবো equals 2 into integration of x dx minus 3 into integration of cos x dx plus integration of e to the power x dx x এর integration করলে x square by 2 equals 2 into x square by 2 minus 3 into cos এর integration sin x plus e to the power x এর integration e to the power x plus c constant that is equals to x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power x plus c. Integration of 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root x into dx আলাদা করে দিচ্ছি equals to 2 into integration of x square dx minus 3 into integration of sin x dx plus 5 into integration of root x dx. Now x square integration করলে কি হবে 2 into x cube by 3 x to the 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 that is x cube by 3 minus 3 into sin x integration minus cos x plus root x that is x to the power half plus 5 into x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus c that is 2 by 3 into x cube plus minus plus 3 cos x plus 5 into x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c that is 2 by 3 x cube plus 3 cos x plus 5 into 2 by 3 that is 10 by 3 into x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Next 18 integration sec x into sec x plus tan x dx multiply করে দিচ্ছি করে আলাদা করছি equals to integration of sec square x dx plus integration of sec x tan x dx. We know sec square x এর integration করলে tan x and sec x tan x এর integration করলে sec x plus c constant of integration. Next 19 integration of sec square x divided by cos square x into dx that is equals to integration of sec square x means 1 by cos square x and cos square x means 1 by sin square x dx that is equals to integration of sin square x divided by cos square x dx that is equals to integration of tan square dx. We know sec square x minus tan square x equals to 1 that is tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1 so tan square x equals sec square x minus 1 into dx আলাদা করে দিচ্ছি equals to integration of sec square x dx minus integration of 1 into dx that is sec square x integration tan x or 1 integration x that is tan x minus x plus c constant of integration. Next 20 integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x into dx equals to 2 into 1 by cos square x means sec square x dx minus 3 into sin integration of sin x divided by cos square x dx equals to 2 into integration of sec square x dx minus 3 into integration of sin x divided by cos x into 1 divided by cos x এইভাবে সাজিয়ে নিলাম into dx equals to 2 into integration of sec square x dx minus 3 into sin x divided by cos x that is tan x and 1 by cos x means sec x tan x into sec x dx sec square x এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে tan x আর tan x sec x সেই ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলে কি হবে sec x that is 2 tan x minus 3 sec x plus c constant of integration. Next choose the correct answer in exercise 21 and 22. Now first 21 the antiderivative of root x plus 1 by root x equals to option A, option B, option C, option D. First, integration of root x plus 1 by root x into dx. That is integration of x to the power half into dx plus integration of x to the power minus half into dx. Using this formula, integration of x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, যেখানে n not equals to minus 1. So we use x to the power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1 plus x to the power minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c constant. That is equals to x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus x to the power half divided by half plus c. That is equals to 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x to the power half plus c. So option C is correct. So the correct answer is C. Next, 22. If ddx of fx equals to 4x cube minus 3 divided by x to the power 4 such that f2 equals to 0, then fx is option A, B, C, D. Given ddx of fx equals to 4x cube minus 3x to the power 4. So fx equals to integration of 4x cube minus 3x to the power 4 into dx by definition. That is equals to 4 into integration of x cube into dx minus 3 into integration of 1 by x to the power 4 into dx. Using formula, that is equals to 4 into integration of x cube dx minus 3 into integration of x to the power minus 4 into dx. Using formula, 4 into x cube x to the power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 3 into x to the power minus 4 plus 1 divided minus 4 plus 1 plus c. There is 4 into x to the power 4 by 4 minus 3 into x to the power minus 3 divided minus 3 plus c. 3 cancel out, minus 1 से plus. That is fx equals to x to the power 4 4 cancel out plus 1 by x cube plus c. Given that f2 equals to 0, so 2 to the power 4 plus 1 by 2 cube plus c equals to 0. That is 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c equals to 0. That is c equals to minus 16 minus 1 by 8. So c equals to minus 129 by 8. That is fx equals to x to the power 4 plus 1 by x cube minus 129 by 8. So option A is correct. So the correct answer is A. ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই শেয়ার করবে, সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে এবং কমেন্ট করে জানাবে।